What is the farthest? What is the far? No, the far differential. If. Still 8,000. Okay, Max. Hey! On your chest! I want subs. I was told to bring my subs. Okay, Dane, come quick. Go in over there. Baseline. You're down here. Stick! All the way! That's okay. Let that emotion out. Good job. Now let's be disciplined and composed. Up. Nothing score. There's a lot going on, I know. Let's go. It's okay. Lucas, calm down. I go first. Come closer. Everybody's going to do their job. Stay out. Hey, Lucas, I need you to calm down and make this shot. I need you to calm down and make this shot. Here we go. Because we don't have time for two. Let's go.
Intense game. Guys, not sure. Kind of like the table that was so racing. Because it always
Can't look that one-sided.
Just cheer it out. Stand up a second. Thank you. Back.
I mean, if you want to cheer the other way, you can. on, Liam, you got this, buddy. Max, be ready to fight for this, okay?
No more challenge left, right?
No.
Yeah! Yes!
I'm all for competition, but when people start clapping in my people's faces, it's acceptable.
Talking to these guys.
They have one time off.
You have to stay composed, yeah?
Ask if the clock is not running. The clock's not running. I think it's allowed.
Stay with 24. Stay down. Go make the layup! Hey, it's not done. Go. Keep playing. We don't know what you called.
Called offensive foul.
All right, cool. Makes sense.
I don't know.
That makes sense. Here we go.
Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! Yes!
I said offensive foul.
No, that is.